may darating po. Sigurado po yan, may darating. And that is the rule of the universe that we will have to have so much faith on. That when we help, that when we are generous, that when we give, everything will go back. Not in percentages, but in multiples. Kaya po yung mga anak namin, very proud ako because I'll tell you, they're really better versions of me, of my wife. They're really better versions kasi ako naman po. Honestly, I wasn't so much of a giver in my young age. You know, nung bata-bata ako, syempre, alam niyo naman, pag meron tayong kunting success dyan, meron tayong pera, it's really for me. Lately na lang po tayo naka-realize ng turo na ganito. Again, also with the influence of friends, with the influence of the right parties, hindi po ba? Pero ngayon, ang advantage is, I can now influence my children in the same way and at a very young age. So makikita ko, ang ganda ng pakiramdam ko when they, give something to their yayas, when they give and hand out something to drivers. Yan, si Pipi po, pag nakaka-close siya ng real estate deal, binibigyan niya yung driver, buti pa yung driver na bigyan, ako hindi.